Tech TV. Experience educational television.
The most dominant determinant for both success and failure in life is not money or the lack of money. It is not the hard work or the lack of hard work. Amazingly, it's not even education or the lack of education. But the most dominant determinant for both poverty and prosperity in the life of any human is time and the use of time.
Curriculum means course, vita means life. So when you say curriculum vitae, it is the course of your life. We use a CV for academic and non-academic positions. And we use a resume for only non-academic positions. We've read that research, we realize that most of you talk about what you are looking for from the company, but they are more interested in what you have that you can offer to the company.
You need a job, not just a degree. Many of you think you are just here to acquire a 4-year degree course, whether in science or in business or in arts or in whichever course that you are doing. But the question you need to ask yourself is that, what do you intend to do with that certificate at the end of your 4-year degree program? That must ring a bell, that must be something you must be thinking about right from first year to final year.